Hello guys, I hope you all are doing good. So today this is the much awaited tutorial based upon the light board. When I first uploaded my first ever video on the light board, then I was flooded with your queries that whether I have purchased this setup or I made it, how one can make the videos with the light board, how you can write in the reverse manner. No, I don't write in the reverse manner. So I am going to disclose all of my secrets today in this video. I hope this will be a very important video for all of you guys and you will be learning a lot of things. And I must tell you that if you want to go and purchase this light board setup, this is a really costly setup. But today I am going to tell you how in the 8 to 9,000 you can make this setup professionally at your home. Okay, some professional support is required. I didn't make the full setup at my home. I had some professional support as well. I am going to share all of these things with you in this video. So I hope you will be staying with me till the end of this video. So first of all, I must show you how this setup looks like. Okay, so I hope you have seen this video. If you have still not watched my previous videos on the light board, you can see it on the screen. Okay, so now first of all, the advantages of light board. I have made enough videos on the light board and now I am going to share some advantages. Okay, so there is one drawback of the whiteboard that you have to turn back whenever you want to write. Okay, when you turn back, you lost your eye contact with the students. Okay, so this is a bad thing. You have to have eye contact with the students throughout the time so that distractions will not be there. So in the light board, you are writing on the screen and this is how you can have eye contact throughout the duration of your video. So this is a very important thing for a better connection with the students. Okay, second, when you write on the light board, it seems that you are writing on the camera screen, okay, or the phone screen or the laptop screen where the student is watching your video. So this creates a wow factor for the student and he will again not get distracted easily. Okay, so the next thing, it is using the total internal reflection property of the light, and because of this property, the light finds its way to the exit whenever we write from the fluorescent markers. This makes the words glow and this creates again a wow factor for the student. So all of these things are advantages. I will be sharing some disadvantages also. I will be telling you what all things you must avoid while making videos with the light board. Okay, so I hope all of these things will be very beneficial for you if you are going to make your own light board. Okay, so how I got this idea? Frankly, I saw one more video on the light board which was on internet and I found this video really amazing. And that time I decided that yes, I have to make my own video with the light board itself. Okay, so I researched about it and I found various things. Okay, various videos are also present on the internet, but I had to research for around 10 to 15 days to find all of the things that I required, and some things I have learned from my own experience as well. I will be sharing you that what all things that I found out while with the help of my experience. Okay, now coming to the various things that you require. If you are already making the videos with the whiteboard, you must be having some basic things like you must be having your own tripod stand, your camera or phone, whatever you use. We can use both of them. Okay, so I use phone for making the light board video because the camera is good. The only condition is that the camera should be good, then only you can make the videos with the light board. Okay, then you must require a mic. Okay, if you are making the videos with whiteboard, you will be having a mic of your own. So that same thing you will be using here. The next thing that you require is the professional LED lightings. If you are not having these lightings, I must recommend you to buy it because these are the things that is really important. Without these light, there will be no wow factor. Okay, so these LED lightings are utmost thing that you require while making the light board videos. Okay, then you require LED strip, acrylic sheet and an iron stand for the light board itself. Okay, and for writing down there, you cannot use the normal markers. You have to use the chalk markers, that are the fluorescent chalk markers only. Okay, these markers are costly, but there are some cheap alternatives also that are available, so you can use any one of them. Okay, so now coming to the light board. So now I will be sharing you how I made my light board. So you can go to the nearby market and you can purchase the acrylic sheet. The acrylic sheet should be of good quality, otherwise the light will not go inside this acrylic sheet. So the iron content should be less. Whenever you are going to purchase it, you just verify it from the shopkeeper that it is not having the much iron content. Okay, so you can verify it from the ends of the acrylic sheet as well. If the ends are not dark green, then it is okay. So now if you have now acrylic sheet, you can go to the professional stand makers. So I have my stand of iron. Okay, you can see on the screen, this is my light board. So this stand I made with the help of the professional support. So you can go to the nearby iron store and you can ask them to make this stand. So now you just need to combine the acrylic sheet and the stand. You can use the bolts and the iron stand maker only will do it. Okay, so now you have your light board. Focus on its base. If the base is heavy, then this stand will not be shaking while you are writing your content on the light board. So now you can see this is my curtain that I use for the green screen, and here I have a black curtain as well. So whenever I want to record my video on the green screen, I use this curtain, and when I have to use the light board, I use the black curtain. So you can also make your setup like this. You can use two curtains, and this is how you will be having. Okay, so now you can see this is my black curtain over here, and this is the background for the light board. Now what I have to do, I have to place my light board in front of this, and then I will be starting writing. I have turned off all of the other lights of the room. Only these two lightings are present. These are my professional LED lightings. So I require them so that they will be going towards the back and they will be reflecting from there and they will be coming towards the front. So now I cannot use these lights as it is. Okay, I have to use the white umbrella as well. Okay, so okay, so you can see now the lights have reduced. Now we have to adjust the camera. Now it is perfect. Now you can see a reflection on the back side. So now I will be using a cloth in the back side because I have one whiteboard also in the back side. So I will be removing this reflection and I will be using a cloth to remove this lighting effect. So now you can see the output is perfect now. Now I have to go in back side of the light board. So now you can see here I am in the back side of the light board and here I can write anything. When you go towards the lighting, it will more illuminate. Okay, so the one learning is that you can stand in the middle and you can write in the right side as well as the left side. Okay, so whenever you write in both of the ends, it will shine more. You can see here what is the difference between these words. So you have to stand here and you have to write there. And one more thing, if you are wearing anything other than black, so it will create a bad impression. Here you can see if I am writing it here, it is very less visible because of my colored t-shirt. Okay, so if you are writing on the black, so it will be visible. Okay, so you can have various alternatives also for the marker pens. You can use various types of chalk markers. These are already available. So first, the best option is Expo Neon Fluorescent markers. So these are the best markers. Other than that, you can use the various other chalk markers which are fluorescent. You can buy them from any site, which online shopping site, and you can use them. So this is the thing that I want to convey to you. The next thing is that how you will be cleaning it. Okay, so for cleaning I will be using some glass cleaners. So I have a glass cleaner over here and I will be just cleaning it with it. So I will be using a cloth now, and with the cloth I will be wiping it off. You can see it is cleaned. So always and always use the glass cleaner. If you are not using the glass cleaner, then it may produce the scratches on the acrylic screen. The acrylic sheet is very prone to the scratches. You have to avoid the scratches, and for that you have to use the glass cleaner. Okay, so now I hope you understood various things that I told you. One more thing that I want to convey is that wear t-shirts in which nothing is written. So whenever you are flipping the video at the last, the content which is written on your t-shirt will be flipped. So to avoid that, don't wear the shirts or t-shirts like that. So these are the various things that I want to discuss. I hope you understood each and everything. Still, if you have any kind of query, you can put the query in the comment and I will be trying to resolve your query as soon as possible. I hope you will be spreading the knowledge, and this setup is a very beautiful setup and you will be getting benefited from this video and you will be building your own setup soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends as well.